Let's start this. Okay, today is 12:40, Wednesday, July 21. Okay, can you see that? All right, good. So now, let me start here. I'm in stereo to go, as cassette to go, and then here I'm there as wherever. And then here I've shot many videos. Let me try and keep this short now. Here is this is about a Panasonic RX-C300-2, and back in 2010 I shot a video in my Decent Man For You account, which I'm no longer uploading to, and also 3 years later I made another video of the very same thing. And what I want to point out to you here is the one in my cassette to go account about this Panasonic. But what I want to point out is, let me zoom in with the thing here. So zoom, 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 zoom. You see that right there? There's the model number, okay? Now, if I zoom out, all right, zoom out, and then point the camera down. Well, I'm going to mess this all up. Well, okay. And then zoom in again. Well, you got to hold it just right. Well, shucks. I'm going to do this right here. Let's flip it this way. Will that work? Can you see it? Yeah, okay. I can barely. All right. Well, I'll look at it later. Hopefully you can see and understand that this is the very same model that I played in a couple of videos a long time ago. Well, since then I have moved to my mom's house. All right, and it doesn't work anymore. And I have tried, as I'm going to try and show you here, everything in the world to get this thing to work, and I cannot fix it. And the other thing is that I have already invested money in 2 other radios, and I no longer have any money to invest into this one anymore. So I'm going to sell this for dead weight. I'll lose maybe $200 on it, I'm guessing. I don't know. But here, let me show you my pictures. So let me minimize this. Okay, here are my pictures. Let me start with, see here, open. There we go. All right, let me go full screen. There we go. Now, this is me at Freeman Tool here in Dallas, Texas. I just got the speakers repaired for the Panasonic RX-C300. Okay, and yes, and then here is the other, brand new in the box, unopened, sealed from the factory, Panasonic RX-C300. So I have another one. I don't need this one, but I've spent over a week trying to get this thing fixed, and I can't do it. So I'm tired of it. I'm going to show you all that I know about it and go for it and sell it for dead weight. It's got all its pieces to it. Here we go. Here I recently worked on this Panasonic, this Sharp GF4646, sold it, rebelted it, did all that. It's just there for, all right. And then here's this Freeman Tool. Inside their place, here are the 2, what do you call it, Panasonic C100 speakers. Here's a couple of Iowa speakers I had rebuilt as well. Okay, here we go. Here's the C300-2 that I have here on my table with the same model number. There it is. Right? There's the serial number again. There's the bottom part. Now I moved from, that's how the screws come out. Well, you know, I moved from Houston to Dallas to live with my mom because I'm poor. Boombox rich, money poor. I got no money. I have no income except from the sale of these radios. Alright, so I took this thing apart. I used a VOM on here. Where's my VOM? It's right on top of the darn thing. There's my VOM, okay, from Radio Shack. Still works great. Okay. Here's that. This switch is broke. This is a momentary switch to turn. It's a push on, push off switch. It's broke. It doesn't stay on. When you push it and hold it with your finger, it would work. But anyway, so So here I'm trying to find out which 2 pins it was, and there's a switch through the light on the back side. Here we're checking for continuity. We found the right 2 anyway, and then here's the tape deck, and inside the tape deck, and like that, and just more pictures. And I take pictures as I go, and that's how that thing comes out and where it goes and so on and so forth. And here's this, and those wires go there, and the tape deck is that, and that's what looks under there, and it's computer controlled, and there's the belt, and here's another belt. That's the belt I took out and replaced. That's me working on the unit right there. Here's a, if you ever, I'm looking for one of these, so if you have one, I'll buy it from you. There's some PBR Measure a Belt 2, so, and then here's just at the parts store getting parts. I found some, well, here's my, here, you look at it. Okay, I got neat little pieces now, jeweler's tools, if you will. More belts at Ace Hardware. And here is, okay, this is the last little thing that I tried to do was even though I had the, even though I had this thing rebuilt with new pins put in, paid $20 under the table to the guy at Audio Tech, which is, well, I showed his, wait, is this it? Yeah, here we go. This guy right here, he rebuilt this. He rebuilt it, so that's all I know like that. He rebuilt it. I watched him do it. He took some pins from another thing. He took this apart. He soldered in some new pins, and he got it to work electrically, but electrically the radio doesn't work so anymore. So I don't know. Maybe I broke it. It's okay. I'm willing to accept that. I just want to sell it and let someone else invest the money into it to get it repaired, okay? Well, there it is. There's what I tried, which is, here's the other part, okay, that I didn't use. There it is. There's together. I even bought a new rule, a metric rule, so I can measure things metrically. I paid $10 for this cable. And there I am again. So now we're back to the beginning. All right, so, yeah, you want this? I'll sell it for $1,500, and that's it. Good day, bye-bye. Mom's home. Gotta go. Where's the off button? Good day, bye-bye. Hope you enjoyed.